Does your law firm post videos to YouTube to educate clients or just put out information? Well, if you're wondering what topics work and which topics don't, and why people are watching certain videos but not other videos, there's a quick way to analyze this using AI. So, what you can do is log into your YouTube channel and go to your content, and then just simply click and highlight all of your videos. And then all you're going to do is I'm going to use Google Gemini. You're going to bring that up and I'm going to paste all that I just pasted or copied. And I typed in analyze this data. This is my YouTube video metrics. What are the topics that are getting people to watch? Why are they different than the ones that people aren't watching? And then it's going to generate a report for me that's very easy. Now you're going to see the list of the rankings, and it's going to show you down here winning content themes. And then it's going to show you content with lower engagement, actionable next items, why things are working. And you can keep it asking it questions on how to do that. So delving deep into what topics are working and which ones aren't will drive more high performing content on your YouTube channel and more relevant information that your clients are actually benefiting from.